What is your strength?
I am highly adaptable and a quick learner. I excel at problem solving and can work well under pressure, ensuring that deadlines are met efficiently.
What is your weakness?
I sometimes focus too much on perfection, which can slow me down. However, I have learned to balance quality with efficiency by prioritizing my tasks effectively.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I see myself growing in this company, taking on more responsibilities, and developing my skills further to contribute to the success of the organization.
Why should we hire you?
I have the skills, experience, and dedication that align perfectly with this role. I am confident that my work ethic and enthusiasm will add value to your team.
Reason behind leaving your last job?
I was looking for new challenges and opportunities for professional growth. I want to expand my skill set and contribute to a dynamic work environment.
Tell me about yourself.
I have 5 years of experience in software development, specializing in back-end engineering and database management. I am passionate about building scalable and efficient applications, and I enjoy working in a team-oriented environment where I can apply my skills to solve problems and drive results.
What are your salary expectations?
I'm open to discussion based on the company's budget and the role's responsibilities. However, based on my experience and industry standards, I am expecting a salary within the range of $80,000 to $100,000 per year.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I stay calm and focus on finding solutions. I prioritize tasks, manage my time effectively, and seek support when needed to ensure the best outcome.
Describe a difficult work situation and how you handled it.
In my previous job, we faced a tight deadline for an important project. I coordinated with my team, delegated tasks efficiently, and worked overtime when necessary to ensure we delivered quality work on time.
What motivates you to work?
I am motivated by challenges and opportunities for growth. I thrive in an environment where I can learn new skills, contribute to the team's success, and see the impact of my work.
What do you know about our company?
I have researched your company and admire its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. I am particularly interested in how you leverage technology to streamline operations and enhance user experience.
How do you handle feedback and criticism?
I view feedback as an opportunity for growth. I appreciate constructive criticism and use it to improve my skills and performance.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I'm comfortable working both independently and as part of a team. I enjoy collaborating with colleagues to achieve common goals, but can also take responsibility for tasks on my own.
Why do you want this job?
I'm excited about this opportunity because it aligns with my skills and career goals. I admire your company's values and believe I can make a meaningful contribution to your team.
How do you prioritize your tasks?
I prioritize my tasks based on urgency and importance. I create a to-do list, set deadlines, and stay organized to ensure all tasks are completed efficiently.